Welcome back to We're Reading Virtual Storytime for March 15th, 2021. This week on Wednesday is St. Patrick's Day. We're going to talk about St. Patrick's Day by reading How to Catch a Leprechaun and making our own leprechaun trail. How to Catch a Leprechaun. Words by Adam Wallace. Pictures by Andy Elkerton. The night is dark. The streets are quiet. St. Patrick's Day is near. I tap my hammer so you'll know the leprechaun is here. I'll pull out all your laces, put glitter in your hair, and when you walk around, you'll see my gold coins everywhere. You'll never catch me in your trap, but yes, I'll make a scene. I'll turn the whole place upside down. Your toilet will be green. House number 1. I'm going in. Really? Is that your trap? I'm in and out without a doubt. That one was a snap. And now I think it's getting worse. A shoebox on a stick? I'll dance a jig and still escape. We leprechauns are quick. Another house. I fixed your shoes. They really were quite smelly. I'll eat the nuts you left as bait and leave with a full belly. Now you're talking. Look at this. It's dandelion tea. But I'm too speedy for your trap. The tea is mine for free. I know you want my pot of gold. That iron cage was clever. But I've been alive 200 years. You won't catch me, ever. Ha 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 ha. Now you're getting fancy. But I'll escape with twinkle toes. It's a fancy pantsy dancy. It seems to me an engineer has helped with this design. Too bad this little leprechaun is going to be just fine. Your entire house is one big trap, from ceiling to the floor. Nice try indeed, but soon enough I'll stroll right out the door. The leprechaun be gone 3000 gave me quite a scare, but without a 4-leaf clover I won't be caught in there. You'll never catch this leprechaun. Impossible. That's a fact. Unless one day a brilliant child designs the perfect trap. But who will that child be? Better luck next year. The end. Okay, so for our St. Patty's Day craft, we're going to make a leprechaun trail. What we need is the cloud template. You only need one, which I've already cut out. So that's what it looks like. You'll need scissors to cut it, of course. You'll need some cotton balls for the cloud. I have 7. A gold coin, if it's big like this guy. And if it's small, you can use a few of them. That's to entice the leprechaun. You'll need jumbo craft sticks. They're the bigger ones. You'll need 6 of those. You'll need 6 colors of paint, preferably rainbow color. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, and I just put it on this plate. You'll need paintbrush. Just for time, I got 6 paintbrushes. If you only have one, you can always wash it off in between. And then glue to glue everything together. So the first thing we're going to do, and I have black paper so that sticks don't stick so bad. And over off to the side, I do have wet wipes because we all know how messy I get. So I'm going to open those up right now. Pop one up. So, first thing we're going to do is paint the sticks. Do it in any order. If you don't want to paint, this works perfectly well with markers, crayons. The only one you're going to really have trouble with would be the yellow, just because yellow markers don't show up as well, but if you really do it hard, it should work. So we're just going to paint each stick in rainbow color. Make sure you get the sides just in case. And then we're going to put them on the wax paper to dry. pretty much dry now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna glue them in rainbow order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple to the cloud. And I'm just gonna put them right on top because we're gonna put the cotton balls on top of them anyway. And with the glue, we can always move it a little. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the side so that they kind of hold together. Okay, that wasn't a tiny bit. Just remember, it dries clear. So, oops. I'm gonna glue it right to the wax paper. Now, this is why you use wax paper, kids. Because sometimes you make a mess. Comes off of the wax paper a lot more easily than it comes off of a table. Okay. And did you see I kind of slid it over because I wasn't sure it was all going to fit. So put a little bit on the glue. I put way too much glue on everything, don't I? Push it over a little bit more to get the purple in. And the purple. So we have a rainbow trail. And then we're going to put the cotton balls. Now we can just put it like that if we want. But you know, I like to fluff mine up a bit. So I'm just going to put glue right here. This is going to take a while to dry because it's me, you know. Just fluff it up some, stick it on, make it as fluffy as you'd like. And like I said, you can just do it regular. You can unroll these if you want. Obviously I have glue on my fingers. Now, in the Craft to Go kits, I gave everyone 7 because that's what it looks like. If you didn't fluff them up, it would fit. So, don't feel the need to use them all. It looks like I'm just going to use about 4, which is fine. So, I don't like that one. Fluff here. Shoot. Covered all the black lines and everything. You don't have to do that. Do it however you'd like. And then just to entice the leprechaun, because leprechauns like their gold, I have my gold coin. I'm going to put it on the sunshine part. It also says you really shine on the back. But I like the sunshine. Like I said, if you have smaller coins, more than one, but I didn't think more than one would look good on this, so we're just going to stick that right up in the cloud, and we're just going to leave that to dry for, well, until this all disappears. Oops. So I'll go wash my hands and let this dry, and I'll take a picture of it, let you know how it turned out.